Toltu Tufa is a young lady with abundant energy and a clear objective.
My aim is to create Oromo educational resources for every child, in every family, in every home.
It's early days, but so far the weekend teacher is on track.
Ayatu's going to write a letter on the board, and when she writes, she's not going to tell you, it's a surprise.
Frustrated at a lack of resources for Oromo language and culture classes, she created her own.
The images I've used for, say for example, in terms of counting, I try to use traditional artefacts or cultural items that people use daily at home.
Not one to do things by halves, Toltu first visited and consulted 9 Oromo communities around the world before devising the package comprising flashcards, posters and books. Community input ensuring images and information are culturally appropriate, relevant and effective.
Depending on how children prefer to learn, you can approach the same topic in multiple ways.
An internet presence is critical in reaching more of the estimated 40 million Oromo people globally, but there are practicalities to consider.
With online technology, I think there is a real potential for this to catapult into something viral, something massive. I also think there's still room for the hard copy books because there are so many countries where people don't have access to technology and don't have access to internet and Wi-Fi.
A website spruiking the program was launched last week and its hits are already in the thousands. But one response means more than most.
I think one person that reacted like that, who touched me the most deeply, was my dad.
And he's played a key role.
When it came to the Oromo language, the only person I had was my dad. And the only way he taught me was literally verbally.
In broken English, Abdul Wahab Tufa describes his pride for his daughter's work and his memory of a time the Oromo language was banned in Ethiopia.
Yes. Punish, put in the jail and make some problem beside language, maybe some people death.
Now, Toltu's seeking funding to roll the program out globally, but there are no flashcards or posters.
Regardless of wherever you are in the world, let me know if you have what it takes, and together let's pledge to preserve a language whose story needs to be told.
Luke Waters, World News Australia.